These are golf club impact stickers from Stone and Egg. The brand sent these to me to try, and these things are really cool. So they comes with 150 pieces. You see on the box. Each piece has three different stickers: one for your driver, one for your woods, and then one for your irons. And these things are incredible. They peel off really nice and easy from the backing, and then they stick to your club. I'll go ahead and show you. I've got a driver right here. You just stick these on the driver, and then you go ahead and you swing and take your shot, and it'll mark on the paper where you hit the ball, and it gives you kind of an idea of your distance loss depending on where you hit, which is really really cool. Other thing I really like about these is when you're done, they peel off super easy, really easy to come off. They don't leave any sort of residue. These are just great. They go on. They went on my clubs, even when my clubs were a little bit dirty too. So you don't even have to have like pristinely clean clubs. These things just stick really well and peel off really easily. So they're really great to use. I took these to the driving range. I am not a great golfer. I don't have a great swing, and right away I was able to tell, like, oh, I was hitting the ball way too close to the shaft on my driver. So I was able to make some corrections, and I started hitting better as a result of that. So I just think this is a really cool tool to use, a great tool to have in your toolbox if you're looking to, improve your golf game a little bit. I would highly recommend these. I want to say thanks to the brand for sending them to me to try. I just think they're a great product.